It's all about a cannonball. It's all about the helpless call. It's all about the fire of love. It's all about the clarion call. The stone that taught me to fly and to cry and to die in your love. I was alone. You showed me the path and you guided my walk all along. The stone that caused me to crave and to brave up to grave for God's love. Oh, holy pain, which led me to learn, to discern, to return to God's love. It's all about the cannonball. It's all about the helpless fall. It's the stone that is known to have blown by the Spirit of God. It's all about the fire of love. It's all about the clarion call, which glazes our blazes and raises our praises to God. Which glazes our blazes and raises our praises to God. Which glazes our blazes and raises our praises to God.